Hey guys, hope you're doing well. It's your girl BOKE'S World. I'm back again with another video kama kawaida. On today's episode, I'm going to cook Tumbukiza, dawa ya hangover. I'm going to use beef bones, 3 big tomatoes, 2 big onions, dania, peeled matoke, spinach, and some spices. I'm going to attach spices zenye naenda kutumia. Dawa ya walevi ndio hii. Start by boiling your meat. Put enough water ndo iive vizuri. Start by boiling your meat. For me, I'm going to boil my meat with ginger, garlic, salt, and spices except chili. Ikiiva ukumbuke kutoa ginger.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now.